today. Today, I assure you that we are going to have an exciting class together. All right, today we want to see how we can find the center and radius of from a given equation of a circle. Okay, so let's enjoy the lesson together. Stay tuned as we enjoy the lesson together. So this is it. So the first thing we are going to do is to divide all through by 36 so that this number I'm underlining will become 1. Okay, first of all, the general equation of a circle is x squared plus y squared, all right, so x squared plus y squared plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c c equals 0. So this is the general equation of a circle. Now we need to make the coefficient of x squared and y squared to be 1 so that we can compare it with this one and get the coordinate of the center they want us to do. So we are going to divide all through that given equation by 36 so that we can make the coefficient of x squared 1, just like the general equation is having this. All right, so let's do that now. So divide all through by 36. We're going to have 36x squared divided by 36 plus 36y squared divided by 36. We move on to the next one. 24x divided by 36. Negative 36y divided by 36. Negative 23 divided by 36. We go to the other side and also divide by 36. So this is what it means to divide all through by 36. The aim is to make this x squared and y squared, to make them have 1 as their coefficient. Each one should have 1 as their coefficient. Alright, so this cancel this for you. So we have x squared remaining here. This cancel this, you have plus y squared. Here you can actually reduce it. You can reduce it. So yeah, over here we can say 4 here you have 6, 4 here you have 9. Okay. What can we do again? You have 2 here you have 3, 2 here you have no, it's 3 actually. It's 3. So 3 over here you are going to have 3 over here you have 2, 3 over here you have 3. Okay. Now meaning that in this place now you have minus 2 over 3x. Then over here cancel 36 again. 36 here 1, 36 here 1. So what will survive here is y. Now if you come over here you cannot cancel anything here. So you are going to have 23 over 36 left there equal, if you divide 0 by any number, it's still 0. Alright, now that you have succeeded in making the coefficient of y squared and x squared and y squared to be 1, you can now compare it with that general equation of the circle. So let me write it on that so that for easy, now compare with this. So y squared plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals 0. If you compare very well, this is to this one is to this one. This one and this one have s in common, meaning that the remaining coefficient here, which is 2g, is meant to be equated to negative 2 over 3. Okay, so let's solve for g first before we do the other remaining comparison. Alright, so here you can, if you cross multiply, you're going to have this go this way and this other one this way. Alright, so this one you're going to have 3 times 2, you're going to get 3 times 2, you're going to get 6, but there is a g here, so you have this. Now 1 times minus 2, you're going to have this. Now divide both sides by 6 so that you can make g the subject of the formula. Alright, so we have 6g divided by 6 is equal to minus 2 divided by 6. This cancels this for you, and then you have g is equal to, if you reduce, 2 here is 1, 2 here is 3. So we have negative 1 over 3. That's for the value of G. Now let's get the value of F first, because those things are, F and G are very important when you want to get the coordinate of the center. So we go, if you compare very carefully again, you see that this one has no coefficient here. It means that minus 1 is the coefficient of y. So they have y and y in common. See, they have y and y in common. If you compare, that means that the remaining minus 1 is to be equated to 2f. So I'm going to say the next one is 2f is equal to minus 1. So this one, divide both sides by 2. So 2f divided by 2 is equal to negative 1 over 2. So this cancels this. This means that f is eventually equal to a negative half. So this is how we have it. Now, the last thing for us to get here is by comparison, you see that C is a constant. A constant means a constant is an ordinary number. So C is a constant, and this one here, minus 23 over 36, is free from variable x and variable y. It means that C must be equal to this 23 over negative 23 over 36. Now, by comparison, C is equal to negative 23 by 36. Okay? Now, let's eventually find the coordinate of the center now. Now, coordinate of the center, coordinate of the center is represented by A like this, A comma B, this way. Now, but recall that A is equal to negative G, B is equal to the negation of F. So let's go and fetch our G. Look at our G here and our F here. This one means that A is equal to what? Now, A is equal to negative. Now, G itself has negative, so negative into negative 1 over 3, meaning that minus times minus is plus, so it's going to be 1 over 3. Now, this one means that B is equal to, now, negative F. There's negative here, so F you want to get has another negative, so it's going to be negative into negative 1 over 2. So minus times minus is going to give us plus, which is 1 over 2 or plus 1 over 2. Alright, so eventually, the coordinate of the center eventually, center is eventually equal to, write A first, A is 1 over 3, and then you put this. Now, the other last part of the question says we should find the radius of the circle, of this particular circle. Now, there is a connection between AB, ABC, and R. And what is that connection? We're going to recall that A squared plus B squared minus C is equal to R squared, actually. All right, so this is what we have. Now, all the values of what you have, you plug them in, and you plug what you have in. It's going to be minus R is equal to C, this way, okay. Now, so let's collect the value of A and B and plug them in quickly. So A is this one, you have 1 over 3, you are squaring it, plus B is 1 over 2, you are squaring it, minus R squared is not known because you are looking for it. Now, C is a constant term, which is negative 23 over 36. So negative 23 over 36 this way. Now, if you square 1 over 3, you're going to get 1 over 9. If you square 1, it's 1. Square 3, you're going to have 9. Plus, if you square this one, you have 1 over, if you square 1 is 1, square 2, you're going to get 4. Now, minus R squared is equal to negative 23 over 36. Okay, now make R the subject of the formula. If you take it the other way, you're going to have a 1 by 9, 1 over 4 here, bring this one over, you have plus 23 over 36 is equal to R squared. Alright, so you can go ahead and find the LCM straight away of these denominators, this 9, this 4, and 36. You can find the LCM of the denominators. So the smallest number that can divide all of them is 36. 36 divided by 9 is 4. 4 times 1, you're going to get 4, plus 36 divided by 4 is 9. 9 multiplied by 1, you get a 9, plus, now 36 divided by itself is 1. 1 times 23, you're going to get 23. Is equal to R squared. We're almost done. Please try and follow along. So this and this, you're going to give us, this plus this will give us 13. So you have 13 and then you have 26. If you add up, you have 6. If you add up, you have 3. Alright? Meaning that if you add this this thing together, you are getting 36 over 36 is equal to r squared. Alright? Alright? Now, if you divide 36 by 36, you are going to get 1. 36 divided by itself, 1 is equal to r squared. Finally, take square root of both sides in order to get your r, so that you can cancel out this square on r. So square root of 1 is equal to square root of r squared. So square cancel the square root, or square root cancel the square, and finally you are having 1 is equal to r. So we can now say, therefore, the radius of the circle is actually 1 unit. Alright, so this is how we handle equation of when they give you the general equation of the circle and you are told to find the center and the radius. You compare it with the general equation of the circle, which is x squared plus y squared plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals 0. If the coefficient of x squared and y squared, if their coefficients are not equal to 0, you divide all through by the number you see in front of the coefficient of x squared, y squared to make them 1 before the comparison. Thank you very much for staying this far. Now I want to give you something now for you to do. I want to give you something for you to do now. Alright, so I'll give you something for you to do. So ensure you do it and please the answer in the comment section. Alright, so we're here. Alright, so this is for you. You are told to find you are given equation